31. Opinions. One of the things that never fails to amaze me is the fact that so many people are so self-important. They decide what God should be like, and therefore God must be so. If you tell them that their opinion has no basis or foundation in the Bible or anything else, they will answer, "Well, I have a right to my own opinion." Yes, and God has a right to his opinion of such people, and it is his view that counts. About 60 or more years ago, a foolish woman asked Dr. John Henry Jowett what he thought about God. Jowett answered quietly, "Madam, I think the question is, what does God think about me?" More people today need to be concerned with that question instead of their own opinions. The Bible tells us that the fool hath said in his heart, "There is no God." Psalm 14:1. It also tells us that all who try to fashion a God after their own desires and needs are vanity or foolishness, and they shall in time be put to shame. Isaiah 44:9. Our opinions do not make God, nor do they count before him. For a man to imagine that God must be what a man's thinking demands is more than foolishness, it's insanity. All around us, people tell us that they have a right to their own opinion and go on to insist that their opinion is right and God's word is wrong. There's a difference between opinions and truth. Neither a majority nor a minority opinion, nor an educated or uneducated opinion is of any necessity the truth. The Lord is the truth, John 14:6, and it is God's word that is the truth, John 17:17. We need to conform ourselves and our opinions to God's truth and to have the common sense to know that our opinions can perhaps be forced on our wives, but never onto God.